How do you get a divorce if you do not know where your spouse lives? The procedure to follow is called edictal citation and substituted service. Substituted service is permitted where your spouse called the respondent is believed to be in the Republic of South Africa. This type of application is made before the issue of the summons of the institution of divorce proceedings. If the whereabouts of your spouse is unknown, you must show that all information about their whereabouts has been fully investigated, and you must indicate the steps taken to ascertain the present whereabouts of your spouse, and that a method of service is likely to come to their attention. The court may order any manner of service it deems appropriate. For example, publication in a newspaper, service on family members or friends, service by fax, and even email if a proper case is made out. The list is, however, not exhaustive and will depend on the facts of each case. The court must also determine the period within which the notice of intention to defend or notice of opposition should be filed. This must be provided for in the notice of motion. Now, let us look at edictal citation. Where your spouse lives in another country, you must first approach the court by way of what is known in law as an edictal citation application. This affords you permission to serve the documents on your spouse in a foreign country. A summons in a divorce must normally be served on your spouse in person. The court needs to be satisfied that service will be done correctly by an official of the court in a foreign country. Edictal citation is therefore a procedure according to which a legal document, such as a divorce summons, is served by a sheriff, in some countries known as a service processor or even a solicitor in a different country. Nowadays, in our high-tech world, a couple can easily get married in one country, spend most of their married life in another country, and get divorced in a different country altogether. It is nothing new for a couple to get married in South Africa, move to, say, New York or London, discover things are not working out, and for one of them to return to South Africa. Strange then that despite all the above, it is still not true, contrary to popular belief, that a summons can be served via email or by registered post in divorce proceedings without the court's permission.